Hi everyone, this is Brian again from Redwood Outdoors. Really excited today to be doing another assembly video. This time we're going to be walking through the assembly of our 20-foot geodesic glamping tent. So we'll be walking through the assembly step by step so you can follow along at home when you're installing yours. If you do ever have any questions with the assembly, we're always there to help, both by phone or by email. Our information is on our website at redwoodoutdoors.com. If you're assembling this at home, you'll probably need a ladder as well as a set of wrenches and electric screwdriver. But other than that, let's get to it. And very excited to be setting this up today. What your dome is going to come in. It's going to come in a wooden crate like this. You'll have our logo on the front as well as the SKU code. When you open the box, you'll have all these parts in it. So I'll start just give an explanation of the different parts. So you'll have your door frame and your door. They'll be wrapped up in the back of the box. You'll also have your aluminum strips. So these strips are for assembling onto the door frame. Then you'll have all your poles. So you'll have poles numbered and with letters on them. So they'll differentiate the poles. You'll have a number of different bags of these, and they'll have the letters on the bags themselves. Also, the letter will be stamped onto the pole, so if you can't read what's on the bag, don't worry, it's stamped onto the pole itself. If you've ordered a solar fan, your solar fan will be in the box. If you've ordered a wood stove, that will come in a separate container because of the weight. This is what we call the chimney plate. This is for installing your chimney if you have a stove. These bags, one will contain your liner, one will contain your PVC cover. So there'll be two bags with different contents. And then the final piece is this bag, which has your base plates and your hardware, so screws and nuts and bolts, things like this. And then the tools are not provided, but this is basically what you'll need. You'll need some wrenches and ladder, electric screwdriver, and once you have all that, you're ready to go and start assembling.